As always, first step is to file the nail to the desired shape. I'm making mine a little bit more squared than it was, and then filing across the top. This design can be done using any color gel as the base. I just decided to use green in this video. Once the nail was covered, I cured it in the LED light for 60 seconds and applied another coat, again curing for 60 seconds. Here comes the fun part. I am using some dish soap in a little plastic tub, putting the lid on and shaking it up so there's a lot of bubbles forming. This is going to be super important to get the design. So now I am putting a no wipe top coat on my nail and I'm not curing it yet. I am spooning the bubbles on top of the nail and then trying to get the whole nail covered from side to side, and then I'm going to cure it in the light. Once it is cured, I am just taking a regular alcohol wipe and wiping off my nail, and it's good to go. So here is how this design turned out. I also did it with navy blue polish so you guys could see a difference from the light to dark polish. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.